bit more highly contented, and we'll bring the cars in the spring.
Okay, so on that specifications, what are you changing for the North American market versus some of the other regions?
Standard content of the car.
Okay.
Normally, the North American customers will have an expectation of a higher content level.
Okay.
So things such as what we would call pilot assist in the vehicle, which has the lane departure warning, excuse me, and also on
Auto cruise control, adaptive
cruise control, and adaptability as well. Things as dual motors. So there will be, some of your viewers might have a global footprint and understand that in some markets we'll start off with also an availability of a single motor.
Yep.
I believe for the North American market, that's not something right now that we're interested in.
Okay, so it's strictly all-wheel drive, dual motor configurations to start with, different trim levels, different packages, color patterns, or are you going to simplify that?
Very simplified. I think that we've done a lot of market research and we've packaged one variant above, and it's vegan
for years, and in the case of a car, and he's pushing 500,000 kilometers. Too good.
Exactly.
So what's your expectation? Because you're
the brand might be has a lot of help with the reaches. You see the fit and finish years of engineering.
Exactly. Definitely big shoes to fill. From that perspective. To ramp up as far as volume.
1,000